Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9 Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install the Pinterest app on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This method works on both Windows and Mac OS. In the search bar, type pinterest.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Pinterest homepage. Once you're on Pinterest, look at the top right corner of Chrome, just next to the address bar. You should see an install icon. It looks like a small computer screen with a downward arrow. Click on that icon. A pop-up will appear asking you to install Pinterest. Click Install. That's it. The Pinterest app will now open in its own window, just like a regular desktop application. You can also pin it to your taskbar or Start menu for quick access. And that's how you can install the Pinterest app on your laptop or PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tech guides.